One is praises. Stuti is singing the glory of the divine. See, by singing the glory, you sing glory of anybody, what happens to you? Your consciousness expands. Your consciousness gets elevated. So to elevate our consciousness, we sing the glory of divinity. That gives us immense pleasure and deep love. It kindles deep love. Now you love someone, then you keep talking about them. Like that you talk, when you praise, it kindles the love inside of you, devotion inside of you. Second is prarthana, prayer. Prayer is whatever is your need or whatever is your botheration, offering all that to the divine. So when you pray, what happens? All that you want, you have offered, you have become free from desires, from wishes. Because when you have prayed, knowing that your prayer will be granted, then will you keep the wish again? No. Imagine it's already fulfilled. When a wish is fulfilled, it's gone, no. And if it's not the right wish, then divine knows that, mother knows that it's not to be fulfilled and she will take care of it. So, offering our fear, anxiety, prayer, our desires, wishes, everything is prayer. And then upasana. There is no word for upasana in English, so we have to use the same word. Upasana is creating a relationship with the divine. Connecting with the divine in a very deep sense. You are part of it and the divinity is part of you. Everything is Mother Divine, the intellect, the memory, even the confusion. Even the confusion is Mother Divine. So recognizing the divinity in everything and in yourself, connecting with the divinity, establishing a that is called upasana. So these three things is together bhajan, and that is what makes life a celebration, where you are free from all that you want to be free from. And realize that you are totally dependent on the divinity. This is the way to invoke love and devotion in ourselves, and this festival is to invoke the devotion, invoke the truth that all is one and that one is everything. This truth that God is not difficult to achieve. You should not strain yourself to achieve God. God is already here. So all that you need to do is in the here and now, relax. Only in deep rest, divinity dawns. Not by doing too many things. In deep rest, divinity dawns. And the Navaratri is the celebration of this recognition. I am that, I am she, and she is me, and she is everything. The whole universe is all permeated by divinity. He is of divine. Deep acceptance and total rest, deep peace. This is the way to realize God who is here and now. Yeah. But what stops us from doing that? Our mind, our desires. So, stuti, praising the divine, prarthana, offering all your desires, free from desires. And then upasana, getting connected to the divinity. Divine is anyway connected to you. You have to simply recognize the connection. And then life becomes celebration. Take it there. Then no, now life becomes a celebration. Not then, now. You have to do this now, right away, right?